Want to keep your workplace safe and accident-free? Let's break down how to conduct a job hazard analysis, or JHA, in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Select the job. Start by choosing a job that has a high risk of injury or a history of incidents. Step 2. Break it down. Divide the job into individual steps. Watch the task being performed and list each action clearly. Step 3. Identify hazards. Look at each step and ask, what could go wrong? Think about physical, chemical, ergonomic, and environmental risks. Step 4. Recommend controls. Suggest ways to eliminate or reduce the risks, like PPE, machine guards, or safer work procedures. Step 5. Document and train. Write everything down and make sure your team is trained and informed. A well-done JHA doesn't just tick a box, it saves lives. Stay proactive, stay safe.